Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming what your TV and source actually accept, because matching signals prevents no picture problems. Once you know the TV input and resolution, gather the converter that matches those formats, an HDMI cable, and any required power adapter. Then make the first physical link. Plug the source output into the converter input securely. This ensures signal routing is correct. After that, leave the converter unpowered until wiring is complete so you avoid hot plug glitches. Next, you attach the HDMI cable from the converter output to the TV's HDMI input and note which port number you used so you can select it later. If the converter includes format switches, set the input and output formats now. This avoids scaling errors. For example, choose 480p to 1080p only if supported. Once set, power the converter, then power the source device. Make sure you wait about 10 to 20 seconds for the HDMI handshake to complete and for video to appear. To finish, select the TV's HDMI input and adjust picture settings or the source resolution until the image is stable. If you see nothing, make sure cables are fully seated, confirm the converter's power LED is on, and try another HDMI port or a known good cable to isolate the fault. For audio problems, remember some converters don't pass audio. If that's the case, route audio separately or enable audio embedding on the converter. If issues persist, restart the chain. Power off, reconnect, and power on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.